If you've been using the BlockDag X1 app and wondering how to withdraw your earnings, here's the real deal. You actually can't withdraw your money yet. That's because the app is still in its mining phase, meaning your BDAG tokens remain locked until the mainnet officially launches. This means you won't be able to transfer or cash out your tokens for now. But don't worry, this is completely normal for projects still in development. While you wait, the best thing you can do is focus on completing your KYC verification inside the app and keep mining consistently. The KYC process is important because it prepares you for the moment when withdrawals become available. You want to make sure your account is fully verified so you don't run into delays once the mainnet goes live. After that happens, you'll gain the ability to move your mined tokens into your in-app wallet, which is the gateway to accessing your BDAG tokens outside the mining environment. At that stage, you'll have two main options for your tokens. You can transfer them to a supported exchange, allowing you to sell or trade them for other cryptocurrencies or fiat money. Alternatively, you can use the BlockDag payment card, which works similarly to a debit card, letting you spend your BDAG tokens directly or withdraw real money from ATMs wherever the card is accepted. Right now, though, all these options remain on hold. The app developers have been clear that withdrawals and transfers will only be enabled after the mainnet launch, so it's essential to be patient. The mining phase is the groundwork that makes everything possible later on. By continuing to mine now, you're effectively accumulating tokens that will become available to you soon. Staying active and verified means you'll be ready to make the most of your earnings the moment withdrawals go live. Remember, mining is the key focus at this stage, and there's no rush to withdraw since the system isn't set up for that yet. It's also a good idea to stay updated with official announcements from BlockDag X1 to know exactly when the mainnet will launch and withdrawals will start functioning.